You guys, there's some news about Rivian, and they got problems. Just like any automaker out there that starts off, any startups. Now, the first example of the Rivian R1T truck has been delivered, and more are continuing to roll off the assembly line. The R1S SUV have also begun to reach customers as well. Full-scale production is away, say in the future for now. Rivian has time and energy to prepare an all-electric delivery van for Amazon. We all love some Amazon. I see so many Amazon trucks going back and forth through my neighborhood all the time. Now, the e-commerce giant Amazon have placed an order for 100,000 vehicles. And they're supposed to be getting them all within the next 10 years. And the first 10,000 units were already due. Rivian is now experiencing growing pains, just like Tesla. Growing pains, folks. The EV car maker stock closed at the lowest level since its IPO. And remember, the trading began in November. Rivian's slow production rate is an example of what we call fresh competition. That means it's new competition. Now you got automakers such as Ford, General Motors, BMW, Mercedes. They're also revealing EVs too. And they got some beautiful technological advancements. Now Rivian is not in trouble by any means, even though their stock value is decreasing. And, however, the IPO was the sixth largest in history ever, folks. Ever. Now, the stock traded at $78 and quickly climbed to $172, giving them the value of over $100 billion, folks. $100 billion. It's just amazing, folks. What an amazing company. Now, last week, Rivian shares were down 3%. Big deal. And they had a loss of 17%, which was just closed in the fall. They had a 1,200 unit goal. And that's what they wanted to sell last year. Now, this don't include their relationship with Amazon, which basically put them on the map big time. Rivian is succeeding, though. Pre-orders for the R1S has increased from 55 to 71,000 from October to December 15th, that is. They have a new $5 billion production plan in Georgia to accommodate the increase, that demand. Because this is one beautiful SUV. I mean, just take a look at it. It is big, it is sharp. I mean, and it looks like it is just stemming with quality, folks. Quality to the max. Very nice. I mean, look at the doors, the way they close, the way the handles reveal themselves and how they close flush with the vehicle. What an awesome SUV. By all means, folks. They're going to do it. They got significant challenges, but hey, they're going to overcome these challenges because they got experienced people at the helm, and great things are going to happen. And yes, Rivian, they're facing problems like never have they before because they weren't a big company, but now they're in the limelight, and great things are going to happen with Rivian. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day. Boy, what a beautiful SUV.